Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, let's take a quick look at My Team screen in Mera Work and how you can manage members, departments, and locations with ease. Let's start with the members screen. Here, you can view all your team members along with their email, manager, activation status, app version, and tracking status. You can add members individually, bulk upload your team using an Excel file, or export the existing user list anytime. Clicking Edit lets you update a member's profile. You can also configure permissions like screenshots, live tracking, monitoring settings, work mode, shifts, and working days, all from one place. Next is the Departments dashboard. Here, you can create departments, assign a global manager, and quickly see how many members belong to each team. You can edit department details, view members inside a department, add new members directly, or delete a department when it's no longer needed. Finally, the location dashboard helps you organize teams by geography. You can add locations, assign location managers, and manage which department managers operate from each location. Editing, managing, or deleting users is simple and centralized. Make work count. Sign up for your free trial today.